drowning in a sea of listings and struggling to keep track of where each property stands? Well, in the next minute, I'm going to show you how to sort listing statuses in Follow Up Boss so you can say goodbye to the chaos and hello to streamlined success. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Navigate to the People tab. This is where you'll manage your contacts and associated listings. Next, click on the Filters button. This will open a menu allowing you to refine your view. In the Filter menu, locate the Listing Status option. It might be under Additional Filters or a Custom Fields section, depending on your Follow Up Boss setup. Click on the Listing Status drop-down. You'll see a list of statuses like active, pending, sold, and potentially others customized for your brokerage. Select the status you want to view. For example, active. The contact list will automatically update, showing only contacts associated with active listings. You can also sort by listing status directly from the column headers. Just click on the listing status column. Clicking once will sort alphabetically. Clicking again will reverse the order. This allows you to quickly find all contacts with a specific listing status, prioritize your follow-ups, and manage your sales pipeline with ease. And that's it. Now you can conquer your listing management, close more deals, and finally feel in control of your real estate business. Be sure to subscribe for more Follow Up Boss tips and tricks.